Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Super Mousekefriends!
Hiya, pal! Welcome to the Clubhouse! Today, Professor Von Drake is using his brand new invention, the Super Maker Machine, to turn us into superheroes with superpowers.
Superheroes work together to save the day from villains.
Uh-oh! Here comes bad guy Power Pants Pete. He's about to shrink Minnie's boutique. We'll use our superpowers to save the shop. Oh no! Pete is dropping rubber ducks from his blimp to stop us. What should we do? Oh, Super Toodles!
Super Toodles has 4 super Mouseke-tools: a giant blow dryer, a catcher's mitt, a big umbrella, and the mystery Mouseke-tool.
The umbrella will shield us from the falling ducks. They bounce right off.
But Power Pants Pete shrinks Minnie's boutique anyway. He's about to shrink the rest of the Clubhouse world when the mean boss, Megamort, arrives. Megamort shrinks Pete.
I'm taking the Clubhouse world for myself,
says Megamort as he sails off in Pete's blimp.
Super Power Pup and I fly after Megamort, but he traps us in a super strong bubble. We need a Mouseke-tool. Oh, Super Toodles! The giant blow dryer will help us. Super cheers! The blow dryer blows all the bubbles away.
Down below, Tiny Pete is rolling away. Minnie, Goofy, Donald, and Daisy rush after him. But suddenly, they lose all their superpowers.
Now Megamort is trying to shrink the Clubhouse from up in the blimp. Maybe I can block the shrink rays. Zap! Oh, pickle juice! Now I'm tiny too, and Megamort is taking Tiny Me and the tiny Clubhouse up to the blimp.
Meanwhile, Minnie, Goofy, Donald, and Daisy are still chasing Tiny Pete. Pete hits a bump and flies high into the air. "Oh, Super Toodles!" calls Minnie. "We need some help." Super Toodles brings the catcher's mitt to Minnie, but Minnie is too far from Pete to catch him.
My friends pass the mitt down the line to Goofy, and Pete lands right in it. Since they worked together, everyone gets their superpowers back. Super cheers! They look up and see Megamort's blimp zooming away with me in it.
"We need to save Mickey," says Minnie.
Oh, Super Toodles! This time he brings the mystery Mouseke-tool. It's a super jet. The heroes fly into the sky and rescue Tiny Me from Megamort. Hooray! It's great to have super friends. Oh no! Megamort's blimp has a leak. It's spiraling out of control. We need to help Megamort. But he's a villain,
says Goofy. "He still needs saving," says Minnie. "That's what heroes do."
Minnie's right. We tie up the blimp with Minnie's super wonder bows. Then we grab the ribbons and pull. Super cheers! We pulled Megamort's blimp safely to the ground. To thank us, Megamort unshrinks everything. "I'm sorry," he says. "I thought if I took what you had, I'd be happy. I don't have any friends." "The Clubhouse is all about having friends," Goofy says, "and now you have some." "That's super," says Megamort.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.